Are you tired of dealing with knee pain? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing sesame seeds, the natural remedy for knee pain. By incorporating sesame seeds into your daily diet, you can experience the 11 incredible health benefits they offer. First and foremost, sesame seeds contain a specific compound that reduces inflammation and protects your bone cartilage. This means that by eating sesame seeds regularly, there's a high chance you'll get rid of your knee pain for good. But that's not all. Sesame seeds are also a fantastic source of nutritious plant proteins. Just a 30-gram serving of sesame seeds provides you with 5 grams of protein, making it an excellent option for those looking to increase their protein intake. In addition to this, sesame seeds can help lower your triglycerides and cholesterol levels. By incorporating sesame seeds into your diet, you can decrease your high triglyceride and cholesterol levels, thanks to 2 specific compounds found in sesame seeds that have cholesterol-lowering effects. Furthermore, sesame seeds promote better digestion. The fiber in sesame seeds binds with food in your digestive tract, helping to add bulk and improve your overall digestion. So, if you want to keep your digestion in good hands, make sure to eat sesame seeds regularly. But that's not all. Sesame seeds also have the power to lower your blood pressure. Thanks to their high antioxidant and vitamin E content, sesame seeds can reduce plaque buildup in your arteries, leading to lower blood pressure levels. And the benefits don't stop there. Sesame seeds are also known to support healthy skin and hair, boost your immune system, improve bone health, and even aid in weight loss. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating sesame seeds into your daily diet and experience the incredible health benefits they offer. Say goodbye to knee pain and hello to a healthier you. Remember, sesame seeds are a natural remedy, so give them a try and see the difference they can make in your life. Start enjoying the 11 health benefits of sesame seeds today.